In this video, we're going to demonstrate why you should use one supplier for the service and maintenance of your medical equipment. Reduced service costs. Are your servicing costs increasing? Are you sure you're getting the best deal? In these uncertain times, it's hard to know what the future will hold. Deciding to partner with one service company ensures you can negotiate fixed price contracts and leverage the amount of assets you have to get the best deal. The more assets the one company services, the lower the cost. By using Activtec as the one service provider to service and maintain all your medical equipment at every site, we can offer a better price. Less time spent dealing with multiple suppliers means you have greater administration efficiency, one source of reporting and invoicing, which in the long run saves you time and money. By implementing a scheduled preventative maintenance program, your equipment lifespan is maximized and you can save money on servicing, call-out fees, and equipment replacement. Simplicity and convenience. Tired of chasing up multiple suppliers? Do you currently have one supplier to service your beds, another for your hoists, another for your wheelchairs, another for your biomedical? You get the picture. Many of our customers have told us this makes things difficult to manage, to track assets, to know when servicing is scheduled, and most importantly, who does what. By consolidating to one provider, all your administration is handled by the one company and your records are held in the same place. If something were to arise and you needed help, you would know exactly who to contact and when your problem would be solved. Peace of mind and simplicity every step of the way. At Activtec, we service every make and model of medical equipment, providing you with purchasing and supply chain flexibility, which is especially important in the current logistical climate. We can also support you through our team of account managers, technicians, and customer care team. Reduced red tape. Do you have too many contracts and service level agreements to keep track of? Not all contracts are the same. Some have fixed pricing, some have low upfront costs but high call-out fees and high part prices, the list goes on. Many healthcare providers are experiencing budgetary pressures and constraints, so it is important to choose a provider that outlines what they will be providing and how it fits their budget. With one service provider, responsibilities and commitments or service level agreements are agreed and included within your contract. Knowing exactly what's in your SLA and being able to reference one document means you won't be sifting through dozens of folders and skimming multiple documents to understand what level of service you're paying for. All your assets in one system. Having a hard time managing all of your assets? In today's technological age, having a provider that can provide access to an asset management system is critical. Having a database of your assets located in one portal allows for clear visibility of the make, condition, status of use, and age of every type of equipment. This assists with equipment forecasting, budgeting, and capital expenditure. Activtec has a world-class purpose-built online asset management system. This computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, is the ultimate solution for scheduling services, comprehensive asset history, traceability, and job status communication. With your own free unique login, you can rest assured all your asset management requirements will be taken care of. Compliance made easy. Want to make sure all your equipment is up to code? With so much medical equipment to keep track of, it can be easy to find yourself suddenly out of touch with whether or not your assets meet compliance standards. Complete compliance means peace of mind. Our services have been designed to ensure your facility complies fully with all regulatory standards, WH&S standards, and where applicable, infection control standards. This gives you full assurance that in the event of an audit, you have all bases covered. Activtec Solutions is one of Australia's largest and most progressive specialised medical equipment maintenance providers. We operate Australia-wide and have an unmatched reputation for service excellence, spanning a wide range of patient handling, pressure care, and patient hygiene equipment. We hope you enjoyed this video. To understand how we can help you transition your medical equipment needs to one supplier, get in contact with us today. Thank you.